In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change your name on a Coursera certificate. Whether you've recently changed your name or need to correct a typo, updating your certificate ensures all your achievements reflect your true identity. First, log into your Coursera account and head to the settings page. Here, look for the name verification section. This is what Coursera uses for all certificates and official course records, so accuracy is key. Click on Request Name Change. A form will appear where you will need to enter your name exactly as it appears on your government issued ID. Double check spelling and formatting and have your ID handy to avoid mistakes. Once complete, click Submit to send your request to the Coursera team. They will verify your details and update your certificate information. You will receive an email once the change is approved or if further details are needed. And that's it. By following these steps, your certificates will correctly reflect your name, keeping your credentials professional and accurate. Simple, fast, and essential for maintaining your learning records.